Well, I'm continuing from my live broadcast from Facebook that didn't work out too well. I wasn't getting a connection out here. We're still in the suburbs. There's still all these, everyone's termed in the vernacular McMansions, which means it's like a cookie cutter. Every house on this block looks the same. I think I've already mentioned that. Doesn't matter, I don't care. As opposed to every tree looks different. Every leaf looks different. Even every blade of grass, piece of dirt, everything looks different. Molecules of water, snowflakes, human beings. And with all that variety, you would think that we'd be able to be a little more creative in boxed housing with ugly colors. Okay? What color is that? There's no colors, no. That house should be like a pyramid painted bright green. So this is a creek here. I love water. There's a lot of mythology about creeks and water and forests and elves and fairies. And they're cross-cultural, and there's a reason for that. And then I don't care if people say you're nuts or not. They exist. Usually when little kids see them and then no one believes them, and then they stop believing themselves. I still see them. Because I didn't believe people telling me what I was seeing with my own eyes wasn't true. Yeah, so the creek's source of water is that, which I don't know where that's coming from. But the rocks are beautiful, covered with that snow. And the stream flows down. Creek, I'm sorry, yeah. Every creek in this state is named and numbered. Every single creek. It's unbelievable. You could find that information online. It would be the same thing for your state. U.S. Geological Survey, and you would click water, rivers, lakes, etc. This is the best meditation. The quiet beauty, uninterrupted by the singing of the creek. Last night, I went for a walk around the block, and I think I saw a bobcat. It was a pretty big cat to be a house cat. It had the short, stubby tail. Anyway, I'm not sure if it was, but it looked like one. But there's a lot of life in this area. So I remember the beauty of these trees and the moss on them. Maybe we just live in one big terrarium for a giant. Anyway, I just wanted to share the afternoon beauty here and wish everybody a very peaceful evening and a beautiful Sunday. And if I don't post until New Year, Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Love to all. Peace. This is Sifu Fiore.